In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free trial on Paperform and begin building forms without entering any credit card details. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome helps make sure the website loads smoothly and that the buttons and layout appear as expected. Once Chrome is opened, go to paperform.co by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing enter. When the home page loads, take a moment to look around so you can get familiar with the site. You're looking for the Start Free Trial button, which should be clearly visible on the home page. This is the main option that allows you to begin using the platform without making a payment upfront. Click that button to move to the sign up page. On the sign up screen, you'll usually be given a couple of options for creating your account. You can sign up using an email address, or you can continue with a Google account if that's more convenient for you. Choose whichever method fits your preference. If you use your email, just enter a valid address and follow the prompts to create your account. If you choose Google, select the appropriate account and continue through the authorization steps. As you complete the sign-up process, pay attention to the information being requested. For this setup, you should be able to start the trial without entering any credit card details. That's useful if you simply want to explore the platform, test its features, and see whether it meets your needs before making any commitment. If a payment field appears, pause and carefully review the page to make sure you're still in the standard free trial flow. Once your account is created, you can start building forms freely during the standard trial access period. This is your opportunity to explore the editor, create forms, customize fields, and get comfortable with the platform's design tools. If you're new to Paperform, it can help to begin with a simple form first so you can understand how the layout and settings work before moving on to more advanced builds. While you're using the trial, keep an eye on the access window so you know how long you have to test everything. That way, you can make the most of the trial period and decide whether the platform is right for you. And that's it. You're now ready to start your free trial on Paperform and begin creating forms right away.